Sure.
Go.
Hey guys, this is Dave with the Silver River Chairs channel. Today we're going to be talking about Windsor chairs. And Windsor chairs, a lot of them have solid seats, a lot of them have woven seats, usually done with rush, natural rush, or fiber rush. A Windsor chair is different because you have all components, the back, spindles, as well as the legs, all connect to a seat. Differently than other chairs, well, such as this one, the beautiful Danish chair, where you have, most chairs, their back post is connected to the entire chair in itself. Same here, these guys where you have the back post that's a part of the structure of the chair instead of connecting to the seat. Tricky part of reweaving one of these is that you can't wrap around this back edge. So you have to split this apart, and depending on your chair, you're either making enough space through here to pass through, or you're removing the whole back here in order to be able to weave the chair kind of as a stool. Most of the time, you have plugs that are hiding screws. Those are the easy ones because you get the plugs out, you take the screws out, and then you can usually break these glue joints that are holding things together. Sometimes these are not hiding screws and they are full dowels that go through. Then you have to drill and chisel those out, and that's a lot bigger pain. So once you get the screws out, you've broken this glue joint, and when I say that, you're not breaking the wood, you're just loosening it up and slowly prying it apart until the old glue fails, essentially. And on this particular piece, what I'll probably end up doing is trying to get the arms off as well. There's a little bit of wiggle there, and it'll probably be easier just to take this entire back of the chair off and weave on a stool looking thing and then put everything back. When you put everything back, it just goes right back together. Okay?
See you next time.
See you next time.